Hey, this is Jeff from Task AGI. This process used to take hours. Now it's automated with Task AGI AI agents. Let me show you how.
I just scraped 1,000 leads in 10 minutes, and I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. If you've ever spent hours manually visiting websites, hunting for contact pages, and copying email addresses into a spreadsheet, this is for you. This automated website lead scraper pulls contact information from company websites and updates Google Sheets automatically. No more manual data entry. Here's how it works. First, the agent reads your Google Sheet where you've listed all the company websites you want to scrape. Then it enters a loop that processes each row one by one. For every company, the AI browser automation kicks in. It actually visits the website, navigates through the pages, finds the contact page, and extracts any contact information it discovers. Think email addresses, phone numbers, physical addresses. The AI understands different website layouts automatically, so it adapts to whatever structure it encounters. Once it finds the contact info, it searches your spreadsheet to locate the exact row for that company. Finally, it writes the extracted data back to the correct cell in your sheet. The whole process runs on autopilot. To set this up, you need two integrations. First, connect your Google Sheets account so the agent can read your website list and write back the results. Second, enable browser automation, which is built right into Task AGI. No API keys needed. Then configure 5 simple nodes. Point the first node to your Google Sheet URL. The loop node handles iteration automatically. The AI browser node uses a prompt that tells it what to do, like go to this website and find the contact page. The search node finds the right row, and the update node writes the data back. That's it. What used to take 2 to 3 minutes per company now happens in seconds. You can process hundreds of leads while you focus on actually reaching out to them. Ready to stop wasting time on manual research? Deploy this agent now and start scraping.